car in too, you know. We're gonna diagnose this shit together. Go ahead. It's recording. All right, guys. This is a live video. I'm not gonna edit this, just the way we was talking. So we got this '09 Ford Edge, and we got my boy Bruno in here. He's tall. He's gonna do some kind of wrestling move today. Anyways, this car is overheating. He's gonna help me diagnose this 2009 Ford Edge, and you guys gotta follow along. And if you guys got a Ford Edge, you're gonna check your fuses, and you're gonna diagnose by checking power and ground to the fan. So let's get this job going. Okay, first of all, you want to look at your fuses here. So you do want to check this fuse number 28. This is the fuse right here, number 28 on this car. So it looks pretty good. You can pop it open and just pull on it. Just inspect the wiring inside there. And if it's broken, you can even put a voltmeter or ohms meter and see if there's a continuity here. But putting this fuse back, it doesn't matter if you put it this way or if you put it this way. It does not matter. But also some Ford Edges, fuse number 5 is just check all your fuses. Check fuse number 5 on some of the models. This is also controls the fan. And what we're going to do here is we find out the fuse is good. So this guy overheats when the car stops at a red light in traffic. So there's no airflow, okay? So that gives me a sign the fans are not working. There's an issue with the fans. So what we're going to do here is, what I did first was we put the AC on with the engine running. One of the fan kicked on and it sounded crappy. So the bearings inside the fans are done. They shot. But this is your radiator fan over here on the passenger side. I'm sorry, this is your AC fan and this is your radiator fan, okay? But they do both work as it's needed depending on how hot it is. But what we're going to do is we're going to take a test light. We're going to put it on first, we're going to take this and put it on the positive. So my friend Bruno, he's going to help me put this on the... No. First, we're going to put this on positive. So what we're going to do is both of these fans have a negative and positive leads. So we're going to check... We're going to check ground, okay? So this fan came on, so we know this is working. But this fan did not come on. So we got... So this is on a positive here, the test lead. And... we should have ground in this black cable here. So this is the black cable I'm checking here. But we're going to pay attention to the bottom one. So we're going to do the same thing. We're going to back probe the black cable. We got ground. So what we're going to do now is we're going to switch the lead. And he's going to go inside the car. When I tell him, he's going to put the AC on, okay? And just give me a moment. I'm going to have this here. And what we're going to do is we're going to back probe the positive now, okay? We're going to back probe the positive. Already ordered the fan, and I am going to be doing the video on that. So I am going to back probe this positive now. Just give me a minute. Go ahead. Start the engine and put the AC on. There you go. The test light came on, and this fan is running. You can hear it, but this fan is not running on this side, okay? The fan did not run on this side. So the fan is shut down on this side. So it did come on now. I guess we must have moved it or we was watching this one. Can you do it one more time?
Yes, sir.
I just want to see because I saw a movement this time. Maybe I was seeing this fan on this side. All right, now they're both running.